Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to choose the right QuickBooks online plan for your business. First of all, let us open your QuickBooks dashboard. Here is the pricing section of QuickBooks where you can find a plan that is right for you. You can cancel this plan anytime. It has unlimited support and a free guided setup. Click on Small Business and tap on Plans and Pricing. QuickBooks has 3 different pricing plans. The first plan is Simple Start, which will cost $1 per month. You can save $1 for 3 months. The second pricing plan is named Essentials to run your business. It will cost $1 per month and you can save $26 for 3 months. The third plan is the Plus plan to grow your business. It will cost $1 per month and you can save $3 for the 3 months here. All of these plans have different features. You can also pay here annually and can get a 50% discount. There are 3 plans here, also like monthly plans with different pricing. The first plan is Simple Start, which will cost $97 per year. You can save $97 for 12 months. The second pricing plan is named Essentials to run your business. It will cost $145 per year and you can save $146 for 12 months. The third plan is the Plus plan to grow your business. It will cost $205 per year and you can save $205 for 12 months here. So you can pay monthly or annually according to your plan and needs. That is all you need to know to choose the right QuickBooks online plan for your business. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.